Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Let's start it. Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) is the foundation of the web, enabling communication between client, web browser, and server. Here are some key aspects. First is request response cycle. Clients and send request, get, post, put, delete to server. Server responds with status code 2000 200 OK 404 not founded here. Header and body content. Second is HTTP method, get, retrieve resources, post, create new resources, put, update existing resources, delete resources. Third is HTTP status code. 1xs information response, 2xs successful response, 3xs redirection response, 4xs client error response, 5xs server error response. 4 is HTTP headquarter key value pair, providing metadata, content type, authorization, cookies. 5 is HTTP body, contain the actual data being transferred, HTML, JSON images. 6 is HTTP variant, HTTP 1.0 original variant, HTTP 1.1 improved variant with presence connection and coaching. HTTP two binary protocols with multiplexing and header compression. HTTP 3 based on QUIC with improved performance and security. Here are some additional HTTP related topics. First is HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure extension of HTTP using encryption, TLS and SSL for secure communication. Indicated by HTTPS is the URL and a log icon in the browser. Second is HTTP caching machine mechanism for temporarily storing frequently accessed resources, reduce latency and improves performances. Third is HTTP cookies, small price of data stored on the client side for tracking and authentication, can be used for session management, personalization and tracking. 4 is HTTP authentication mechanism for authenticating clients and servers. Basic auth digits auth barrier tokens and auth are common method. 5 is HTTP compression technique used for reducing the size of HTTP response. 6 is HTTP to future multiplexing multiple requests over a single connection. Header compression reduce our achieve for repeated header. Server push, server can protectively send resources to client. 7 is HTTP 3 future built on QUIC, quick UDP internet connection, improve performance, security and reliability. Enable multiplexing and URTT, zero round trip time connection. 8 is HTTP APIs application programming interface, using HTTP as the underlying protocols. RESTful APIs grep are popular API style. Here are some additional HTTP related topic. First is HTTP request methods, had retrieve metadata without the response body option. Describe supported HTTP methods. Connect establish a tunnel to the server, fetch peripheral update secure. Second is HTTP status code category. 1xs information response, 2xs successful response, 3xs redirection response, 4xs client error response, 5xs server error response. Third is HTTP header fields, journal headers, caches control connection, request header accept authorization, authorization, response header, content type, set cookie for is HTTP content negotiation, server driven negotiation, accept header.